Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2006 Mazda Bravo STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4801. The shape runs from the 11th month 2002 through to the 10th month 2006. It has a 4-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4-litre V6 petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand corner lamp, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, left front door has a couple of small dents, left rear door has one small dent, both have faded top edges, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Tailgate has a couple of small dents and some light wobbles. It's got a TJM canopy supplied with all fittings. It is faded on the top. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right rear door has 4 small dents, right front door has 3 small dents. Right guard appears to have no damage, all of them are faded along the top edge. Right power door mirror in chrome and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This is a 2-plug type. Centre console has a few little rips in it in the lid, still may be usable. 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.